What up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I just want to show you guys a quick cash out with Onedayrewards. Before I do that, I always want to show you what I do on these sites in order to make money. All right. Now, in order to really make money with these sites, y'all, you have to really put in the work as far as doing surveys and doing offers, and both of them are free. I mean, me personally, I don't do anything as far as the offers go. I don't do anything that you have to pay for or put your credit card information in. I don't do any of that. All the offers that I do are completely free. A lot of them are just signing up or registering for something and, getting paid that way, or, just submitting my email. It's little stuff that you do for the offers. So don't think that offers are very difficult to do, because they're really not. You just look at the description as far as what they're asking for and do exactly that, and you will get credited. You know what I'm saying? You can decide to do, if you want to put in your personal information, your credit card, because those offers do pay a little bit more, you can. But me personally, I don't. And I'm just going to show you what I do on this site. All right. So I'm always taking surveys. I'm always going here to the surveys. I'm clicking on that and just kind of scrolling down and just trying these out. I mean, look at these. I mean, the reward survey express, the first one that comes up, 33 points. You know what I'm saying? You keep on going down. Survey time, 50. You know what I'm saying? Live sample, 105. Sample cube, 126. All right. You know what I'm saying? You see what they're offering you for doing the survey. These surveys are where the money is at. They have 7 pages. You keep on going. I think it's on 3, where there is a survey that's like 5 minutes long. I believe it's on 3, but it's your surveys. It's like 5 minutes long, 5-minute survey time, something like that. Yeah, right there. That's the one I'm doing a lot. 5-minute survey router, 32 points, 32.5. You know what I'm saying? Those surveys don't take a long time. You can do as many as they have. So I'm really jumping on that. It's probably the biggest one. But, again, all of these that you see, Zen survey, 105, they have 7 pages of different surveys. I recommend going through and trying them all out. That way you're really, making money, because some people getting disqualified. If you get disqualified, don't give up. Just try again another one. I mean, it's as simple as that. I'm living proof that, you can get disqualified, but you can still make a lot of money by keep going. Don't just say, okay, I disqualified, I'm not going to get on anymore. Nah, because then you're not going to make anything because you didn't try. And I show you guys all this time, these sites that have disqualification points, and some don't. But the thing about it is, even the sites that don't have disqualification points, it doesn't mean that the surveys are difficult or hard to qualify for. You know what I'm saying? You just have to find out what they're looking for, and just keep grinding. That's the main thing. Just keep going. Don't stop. Just because you get disqualified for 1 or 2, don't stop and going for a 3rd one. You know what I'm saying? That's all it takes. Just really put in the effort. All right. So I'm really doing the surveys. Of course, here you look over here at offer walls, different offer walls they have, all of these. You know what I'm saying? Just scrolling down to the bottom, they have all of these you can try. I know ad wall has small TV and hideout TV in there. Have your videos running in the background in a separate window, like I always tell you. What else? Super rewards, they have some really good offers in there. Also, ad get rewards and offer Turo. These are really the 3 that have really good offers in there, and they're all free. So really check those out. And like I said, really pay attention to the surveys and the free offers, because you can really accumulate your balance very, very fast. All right. Now, I just got paid by this site last night. I actually got paid through Cash App, because I figured Cash App is even, easier than PayPal, because it goes right into your Cash App account, and, it's a lot easier to do. So I'm just going to show you that real quick. I'm going to show you on my phone, actually. Let me pull it up real quick. And it's right here. See, I got $3.18 from Onedayrewards. That was yesterday. I covered up his name because I don't want to put his personal information out there. But like I said, it's living proof that, they're paying. And they're paying through Cash App, which is really, really cool. I love to use Cash App. So me withdrawing through that was really cool for me. And that's what it is all about. You know what I'm saying? Just really putting in the work. You can get paid through Cash App. I don't think any sites are really doing that. So if you don't have a Cash App account, you can definitely make one. They're completely free. You don't have to pay for anything like that. I just want to show you some of the other things that they have as far as cashing out. They have some Amazon gift cards you can use. Or that you can get, my bad. Look, $2. They have $5 ones. They have an AirTM account. That's 5 cents. You can actually create one of those. They're free as well. Zelle goes right into your bank account. I have a Zelle account as well. Circle. But that's what I got right there. Withdraw through Cash App. They have other ones. And that's what it's about, y'all. I mean, they don't have PayPal anymore because it seems that, they have some trouble with it. But, it doesn't mean that they're a bad site now. I continue to use it. It's a lot of other ways to get paid. People only have PayPal accounts. If you only have a PayPal account, you really need to make some more accounts. You really need to make a Cash App account, a Zelle account, even a Skrill account, because sites are having more than one way to pay. And there's lots of other ways to get your cash. Even some sites pay through check. So it just, like I said, they run into PayPal issues, but it is what it is. That happens from time to time, but keep grinding. Don't let that stop you. You know what I'm saying? People say, oh, they're not using PayPal anymore. What do I do? What do you mean? What do you do? You keep putting in the work and you get paid in other ways. Cash App is, very similar to PayPal. You're still getting your money sent to you through an app, and you can put it right into your bank account. AirTM, the same thing. It's like a little virtual bank account. All you have to do is have 5 cents. Zelle, it's a $5 one, but it's still the same thing. It's another payment processor. So they've had other ways to get your cash. Don't just say there's no PayPal, there's no hope. Nah, still, try some of the other ones. Like I said, just sign up for an account. If you don't know what it is, like this Circle account, just go to, Google what Circle is, see if you can make a free account, and bam, you got it. And you get your money sent through Circle. As simple as that. But, for all of you guys who have a Cash App account, 2 cent minimum is all you need. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, those are completely free. So I just want to show you this, guys, on Onedayrewards. It's a really, really good site. I've been a member of this for a while. I make good money with it. You see here, they even have login bonuses that they're giving away. Look, 1 cent for just logging in. Let me clear it up so I can see. See, 1 cent daily login bonus. And they're giving that, so people are doing a survey, 65. Just kind of scroll down. Look, AdSense Media, somebody got 63 points for that. I'm just kind of scrolling on what's going on now, what people are doing in order to make the money right now. A lot of people just logging on. Look, somebody just cashed out 3,005 cents. So you see a lot of people using this site and they're making, good money with it, not just getting 1 or 2 pennies, because a lot of people want to go on these sites and only get disqualification points, where there's not really a lot of money in that. So if you're relying on just disqualification points, you're not going to make them a lot of money. What I tell you, try the big surveys first, because that way you're going to really accumulate fast. If you're getting disqualification points, you're getting 1 or 2 points, you're not going to cash out quickly like that. You know what I'm saying? Those are really for if you're getting frustrated because, you went through a couple surveys and you didn't qualify. Then go back to those disqualification survey walls. You know what I'm saying? Try a few of those, get your, confidence back up. Then go try the new ones. That's what it's for. It's not just sit there and only get disqualification points, because, if you do that too much, for one, you're not going to make a lot of money. And then 2, sites don't really like that too much. It's because they feel like you're overdoing it, and they will kind of ban you from doing that. So it's not something that you can't do. I'm not saying don't do it. Definitely try it out, but only for if you're getting disqualified a long time. If you try 3 or 4 surveys, go back and do some ones just so you can get your confidence and get some money into your account so you can actually see it going in. You know what I'm saying? That's the biggest thing. That's what it's really for. You know what I'm saying? So like I showed you, do those surveys, try all the ones I showed you. Definitely the 5-minute survey router. And then go try some offers, Super Rewards, what is it, Agate, and Offerturo. Those are the top 3, but again, they have other ones. So that's what it's all about, y'all. Like I said, I just want to show you this, guys, some proof, show you their new cash out options. It's still a really, really good site to use. I've made good money with this site, and I want you to do that too. So the link is in the description. I want you to sign up today, get a bonus so you can get these opportunities that I'm bringing you and start making money with it today. And remember, every penny counts.